Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. The long-awaited portfolio update. This is update number 101 of the TFSA Wealthsimple trade portfolio. If you've been following on the channel, you know I've been doing a lot of live streams lately. So we do go live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to about 8:45, 9 o'clock Pacific time. It'd be great to have you join along. I've got one scheduled tomorrow, which is for the Bank of Canada rate announcement, which is tomorrow. So it'd be great to have you join along. If you can't make it live, it's always up on the channel over on the replay. So it'd be great to have you join along live. If not, catch the replay. Without further ado, let's get into the portfolio. All right, here we are in the TFSA. As you can see, not a great start to the month here. If you've been watching the market the last few days, not the greatest. We're definitely seeing a decrease. That being said, keeping an eye on things. I do have some deposit probably on Friday. Payday is on Friday. It's always nice to get paid, and have an eye probably to top up some of the core holdings of the portfolio, being the ETF, VDY and VFE. But let's just go in to show how the portfolio is doing overall. Now, again, the market is open right now, so these prices can possibly change, but we'll do the all-time how we're doing for the total value on the different stocks. So Brookfield Asset Management, that one is part of the investment challenge I'm doing for the kind of year, saving on my StreamYard subscription, putting it into Brookfield Asset Management, up 0.91%. We have just over one share of that, 1.144 right now with that, because I've done it for 2 months so far. So happy about that. Brookfield BEP.UN, that's the Brookfield Renewables, down unfortunately 17.64%. Not doing that great. As you're seeing as a portfolio, lots of red we're going to see in this portfolio today. BTC.Y down 35.02% on 172 shares. That's the Bitcoin yield ETF. Dividend will be coming in very shortly for that one though, so that is good. Cielo Solutions, CMC, not good at all, down 96.77%, only worth $6. I'm holding this one as a lesson to not necessarily speculate on things like that. Div is doing good, diversified royalty. This is the one I picked up as part of from my last video for my 100th update. For my 100th update, I bought 100 shares of Div, and we're up 1.34%. Happy about that. Regular dividends monthly on that one will be coming in as well. ETC, this one down 66.55%. Cryptocurrencies. This one is the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF. Now, I haven't been adding to this one because I have been focusing more on the yield from the Bitcoin yield ETF. That's why this one is down. I will dollar cost average in there too a little bit, but haven't planned to in the short term right now. Greenlane Renewables, this one I might actually look at picking up a little bit more. It's down 53.1%. I think in the long term though, this is going to be a good hold, hopefully, if that comes out at the end. REI.UN, Real Estate Investment Trust, doing okay, up, it's nice to see a little bit of green, up 0.88% on our 26, just over 26 shares. Once the dividend comes in for that, I'll repurchase as a fractional share. RNW down 25.71% on 42 shares. Still haven't made any adjustments to those dividends, so I will roll those back in. This one though, you can't buy with a fractional share, so I will have to top up the account a little bit in order to buy one share once that dividend comes through. Solar Alliance Energy, this is the one kind of really speculative as well, down 53.13%. But again, didn't put very much into that, so we'll see what happens with that one over the long term. Slate Office REIT, that's the real estate, another REIT on there, 107 shares, down 12.4%. Telus, in the green with some Telus, which is nice, up $9.34%. Oh, there's just changing, so up 1.56% on our 18.297 shares. So that's another one that I do the fractional share purchase when the dividend comes through. And Tesla down 8.89%. This is a new position for the portfolio, 11 shares. This is the CDR. I'll slowly add into this one as well. I think long-term Tesla will be a good stock to hold. And then down to the core. These are the core kind of two ETFs of my portfolio. Anyways, VDY, that's the Canadian High Dividend Yield ETF from Vanguard, up 3.03%. So happy about that. Been dollar cost averaging into this one slowly but surely. Just over 68 shares, almost 69 shares of VDY. So it's nice to see something in the green, at least in the portfolio. VFE, that's the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. We're down 2.24%. This is mostly in the last couple days. The market hasn't been that great. It's Tuesday when I'm filming this. It's not been that great yesterday and today. I think we're basically pricing in that upcoming rate increase from the Fed next week. So we'll go up and see how we are doing on overall. So let's go for today. Obviously today is going to be in the green, down 1.31% today. On the month, down 0.58%. So we're kind of lost all those gains that we made last week. But anyways, that's the market. Same with on the month, down 0.97% for this month, and 3 months down 4.29%. and on the past year is down 14.70% all time. And here we go, down 15.66%. So lots of red out there, but slowly but surely we're going to keep adding to the portfolio, and hopefully eventually we're going to get up to, obviously the goal of the portfolio is to have it at $100,000. That's part of the challenge of my challenge for this this channel. We'll get there. Hopefully we can see some gains in the future. All right, be sure to let me know down in the comments. It's always appreciated. Let me know if you have picked up anything. It's always fun to hear what the community is buying. If you bought anything, have you sold anything? That's always interesting to hear. And if you have any maybe some new positions, let me know down in the comments below. It's always fun. And for everybody that is watching, if you've made it this far and aren't subscribed, I share regular updates of my TFSA Wealthsimple trade portfolio on the YouTube channel. So it'd be great to have you follow along. Check and see if you're subscribed. It'd be great to have you join along. As I always say, subscribing is free. Community is growing, and again, if you are able to join us on a live stream, we've got a great community that joins in every weekday at 8 o'clock Pacific time. Great place to get your questions answered and learn a lot along the way. I'm learning a lot. I do appreciate everybody that joins on those live streams. That's all, everybody. We'll be back tomorrow for the live stream. Again, I can say live stream maybe one more time, but I just do appreciate everybody watching. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next video.